Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be more birthday challenge unboxing. You guys, I'm starting to hear my voice come back. It's super exciting. I am not as squeaky. I think I'm actually exercising my voice back, which is amazing because I have tons of stuff to do. So let's get on with these two entries that I'm going to be unboxing today. You guys, look at these boxes. I ended up ripping this part right here, which made me kind of sad when I went to take the tape off. But let's get into it. Super fun boxes filled. I'll do this one first. Did you guys see that? Look at this. This is so pretty. All right, so let's get into these goodies. And this is from, let's see here. I think I had read, let me see. Yep, this is from Mildred, and she is needle on point. And you guys, look at her card. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited that my voice sounds a lot better in this video. Do you guys see that? So pretty. And then she did like a little swan on the envelope, which looks super cute. And then she has this cute little box that she had decorated with little paper with the balloons. And then it says, "Party till you pop." So cute. And she had this wrapped up. You guys, I did the little sneak peeks. Certain things I left closed up. So I opened up the gift because I'm like a big baby. And of course I wanted to see what was inside. And look how pretty, you guys. It's a swan box. A little booklet. It is so cute. Mildred, you are the best. It is adorable. So you can put like little trinkets in it. So I'm definitely going to keep that in my desk. Well, not in, on my desk. And then you close it up. Is that not super Maggie Holmes? That is so cute. You can keep like super cute little pom-poms. We're going to put some pom-poms in there to see how cute they look. I have some pom-poms here. How adorable is that? I'm going to go get my pom-pom and be real bougie. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, girly. I love my glass swan. So we're going to move that over here. And then she has a bunch of little confetti, like little, not confetti, crinkle paper inside the box. And these are her entries. Let's move the box. And we're going to look at her cute little embellies. How adorable are these? Look at the little bears, you guys. So cute. And it's so much different like textures. She's got ribbon. She's got these cute little tulle roses in the back. So cute. Pom-poms. How fun is that? Hopefully my reflection is not coming out because I look crazy. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. And then I think this is her tag flip. Definitely saving these baggies because these are good. I'm going to put this over here with her little embellies. So I'm saving this. You guys already know. Roll it up. Put it in the basket of tulle. I'm going to open up. Tear it up. I like to tear it up because it feels like Christmas. Oh my gosh. You guys have no idea how excited I am that I got my voice semi back. And here you go, guys. This is her tag flip. You guys have to check her out. I'll have her link down below. My favorite part of the tag flips is the fun little trim. And look at this little girl. She's holding some cotton candy. How cute. She's got her balloons. Look at that. Love it. Love the layers. She did it like double-sided. Look at the little camera. Little Maggie Holmes chipboards. It's cute little lace trim. I love it. And look at the flowers. And look, you guys, a lot of you guys are worried about, I know Crafty Pen Pal Mama had misunderstood and thought that she had to use Hooray. But I would never ask you guys to, like, get a certain collection for a challenge. I just like girly colors, like lighter colors. I'm not a dark tone type of girl. So I like light colors, and as long as it was like birthday themed or very girly, then I'm very happy with your tag flip. Like, this is gorgeous. You guys see this? Like, she incorporated a lot of Maggie Holmes but yet added like birthday theme. So it doesn't matter what paper you have, just make it a little bit birthday themed, and I'm totally happy with it. I'm not a very picky, you guys, not at all. I don't even care like if you put 2 tags on a ring. That doesn't matter to me. To me, it's gonna still be considered an entry regardless. I love these little beadings right here. That is so beautiful, and I love that idea. So cute. And she made me a little shaker, and you see, you guys, like, she was super creative. She put happy birthday, but used a ton of Maggie Holmes and created and made Maggie Holmes into a birthday like flip. I love this little tag. Look at this one, you guys. Look at that little girl with her bow on her back. Like, yep, I am the business. Super cute. Mildred, I love it. I love the little box. I love your embellies. I love your card. Everything turned out super cute. Thank you so much for my little gift. It is beautiful, and it'll be on my desk. And always remind me that you gave it to me for my birthday. And we will be moving on to this entry. And yes, look at this box, you guys. Doesn't it look like something out of Disney? Let me open that up. So we're going to do it this way. I'm trying to see where the lighting is not horrible because it is late and the light is not the greatest. So this is my card, and I'm going to see who this is from. Before I do that, I need to drink some water because I feel my throat getting itchy. Okay, so let's see the card. This is from SoCal Crafts, and thank you so much for the birthday wishes. So here's her cute little card. It's like a little marble. I like that. And look at this, you guys. Look what she did. She has a little crinkle. How girly and feminine is this? And you guys, I will be posting pictures of every single tag flip. I just haven't decided how I want to do it because I want to be able to do multiple pictures instead of like one. There's a lot of entries, you guys. So I want to do like little albums on my Instagram. And I promise as soon as the giveaway is over and done with, I'll take my time, sit down. That's why I'm doing these videos, to give your work a chance to be shown on my channel. And I will post pictures at some point after the challenge is over and done with, maybe after the holidays, because December is going to be crazy. And I have extended the challenge. If you haven't seen my post, I did extend it till December 15th because November was a crazy month, not only for myself but for a lot of you, because I kept getting emails of you guys saying that, oh, it's going to arrive late, it's okay, don't worry about it. No, I don't want your entries to just for you to work so hard on it, and then just because it didn't make it on time, you don't want to participate. I'm not doing that. So a lot of you guys said that after the 1st, you can enter. So I'm giving you guys up to the 15th. And then shortly after everything is in, I will pick a winner. And of course, send you guys the prize, because I'm not shipping anything. I'm purchasing and shipping directly to the winner. So yeah, if you are interested in entering, you still have a good 2 more weeks to enter and not worry about it. So get excited. I did get a bunch of emails once I made that post that you guys were super excited, and that made me happy because I want everybody to get the chance to be able to participate. And I understand that with Thanksgiving, and it's just a hectic 2 months for everybody. Holidays are just crazy on their own. But enough rambling. Look, you guys, How pretty. I love me some girly mail. I love it so much. Look how cute. What is this? I love it. Oh, this looks like a little... Oh, I haven't gotten an envelope. Oh, is it a loaded envelope? In a long time. I love that she did that. That's very creative that she put her like tags inside a loaded envelope. So then you just put them in a ring. And let's see. Let me see something here. Okay. So, look at this. This is adorable, you guys. The way she decorated this container. Is that a magnet? Oh my gosh, I think this is a magnet, you guys. If it is, it's so going on my cart. Is it open? Or is it just meant to be decor? Ugh. How do you open this? Oh wait, I think you just lift it up. Okay, Lily. Smart. It's not a twisty. It's a pop off. Right? Yes. I don't want anything to come flying out. And I think I got it. Okay. OMG, look how cute. So she filled it with a bunch of little embellishments. Oh, these are adorable. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I love them. They're like so delicate and dainty. And the way you packaged it is so cute and creative. Oh, this is going on my cart, girl. I love it. I love it. And then look, you guys, she made me like a loaded envelope. And she used a lot of the Maggie Holmes confetti, which is like one of my favorite collections. And look at all her tags. Look at that. Super cute. Oh, girly, this is beautiful. Super, super beautiful. She gifted me that cute little telephone, the vintage phone, little puffy sticker. And look at her bag topper, you guys. Gorgeous. She made me some shakers. Look at this. Is that not the cutest? And look at her card, you guys. That is stunning. I love it. I love it so much. You did an amazing job. Your tags are gorgeous. I love them. You guys, when it comes to my challenge, I just want you guys to have fun. And that's what matters to me, is just have fun, be creative, because this makes me so giddy and happy, excited. I love it. I love it so much. And that is it for this video. Stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to be showing some more entries. Thank you so much, ladies, for entering my challenge and participating in the birthday fun. I'm going to have the girls listed down below. Go check them out. Go give them a follow. Subscribe to their channels if they have one. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.